Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can navigate in Cedalion programs. Cedalion uses projectional editing, which means that you don't have a cursor that is a marker between two arbitrary characters in the text. Instead, our cursor is a rectangle that around some phrase in the code. The phrase can be as small as one thing, a variable or an atomic concept. In this case we call it a leaf, or it can surround a large portion of the text and even the entire file, in which case we say that it represents the root of this file. The rectangle actually represents a node in the text abstract syntax tree. This abstract syntax tree is a tree where the root node contains the entire text, and leaves are the smallest elements that we can click. What you see here is me using the mouse and navigating through what we call mouse navigation. In mouse navigation, the mouse is clicked someplace in the code, and Cedalion places the cursor around the innermost portion of the text that is contained by the location where I click the mouse. So this is how I can click, I can select any node with a single mouse click. I can also use the keyboard. To navigate using the keyboard, I use Shift and Alt together, and with those pressed down, I can use navigation keys to navigate from one node to another. There are two kinds of navigation: visual navigation and logical navigation. With logical navigation, I navigate from one node to another in the tree according to the tree's hierarchy. So when I press Shift, Alt, and Page Up, for example, I move from one node to its parent. So here I navigated through the parents and I got to the root. If I hold Alt and Shift and press Home, I will get to the first child element, and if I press End, I will get to the last child element. Last. This is how I can, for example, navigate a list. I can navigate up until up or down, up using page up or down using end, until I get to the element that I want, and then home will give me the content of the element, all with Alt and Shift pressed. Visual navigation goes up, down, left, or right based on the layout of the text. So if I press Alt, Shift, and up, I will get to somewhere in the previous row. With down, I will get to the next row. With left and right, I can navigate between columns. All with Alt and Shift pressed. Thank you.